This is a Pontins site in Pakefield in Suffolk. We stayed there half board right at the end of the summer this year, and this was a particularly beautiful day, so let's have a walk around. This is the outside area. There's lots of greenery and some park areas and outside gym, and the chalets are all one level. You don't have any going up the stairs like you do at Camber. There's some really lovely walks around the area, and you can walk to a nearby supermarket as well, but there is a little supermarket on site there too. They've got a cafe on site, and you can sit outside in the nice little seating area and just watch the world go by. And it's right on top of an absolutely beautiful stretch of sandy beach. Now, at this time of year, they were doing the wild verges thing, which is lovely for the nature. The gardens were really well kept, and the whole location was just really clean and tidy. Lovely, typical seasidey kind of town. There was these lovely, great big koi carp within the fish pond there. There was an indoor swimming pool with a little slide, and that was pretty clean actually. Now we're going to show you around the inside area. This was laid out slightly different because it was for an event that I was attending there. Still pretty much going to kind of be the same. Nighttime, it seemed to come to life with all the different lighting. It was really cute, loved that. There was loads of lovely soft seating area. It was a fairly accessible site as well actually. The accommodation wasn't perfect, as usual for a Pontins, but it was the cleanest one that we've ever been to. It was clean, it was tidy, it did all work, it did all kind of, yeah, it just kind of worked, and the beds were a lot more comfy than the other ones that I've shown you previously. So I would suggest that it is definitely one of the better ones, although the rooms are smaller. The food was okay, it was definitely passable, so I would give this Pontins maybe a 6 out of 10 compared to the others, a 4 out of 10.